Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
silhouettes of you are like a...
Hoje vamos então finalmente colocar massa de acabamento nas paredes daqui da cozinha. Esta zona do pelador também já está terminada, só falta mesmo lixar. Já estive a dar uma de mão de massa de acabamento para também no fim lixarmos tudo. Teto também já concluído. Temos aqui as ranhuras já prontas também para as tiras LED e também para os focos. Neste momento não coloquei ainda massa de acabamento aqui e provavelmente não vou colocar porque vai ser a zona onde vão ficar aplicados os móveis. Depois só vai levar mesmo aquela parte em que colocamos o revestimento com cerâmica. Aqui só dei uma mão de massa simplesmente só para dar um pequeno enchimento, mas não era necessário porque também vai ter móvel. Fiquem até o final, vejam como é que corre aqui esta alteração, depois eu mostro-vos como é que acabou.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored?